Welcome back to DailyFactOfficial,
where we bring you the most fascinating and
mind-boggling mysteries from around the globe. Today we delve into the enigmatic world of unexplained sounds. Brace yourself as we explore the 7 most mysterious sounds ever recorded. Our journey begins with the eerie bloop, a deep and low-frequency sound captured in the Pacific Ocean. Despite extensive research, scientists remain uncertain about its origin. Could it be the sound of a massive yet undiscovered sea creature lurking in the depths? Moving on, we encounter the UVB-76, also known as the buzzer, a mysterious radio signal that has been broadcasting a monotonous buzzing noise since the late 1970s. Listeners have speculated that it might be a secret government communication channel or even an outpost contacting extraterrestrial beings. Prepare for the spine-chilling Julia, a sound that haunts the ocean depths. Named after the woman who first discovered it, this complex and haunting noise baffles scientists. Its origin and purpose remain shrouded in uncertainty, leaving us to ponder its mysteries. The Taos Hum. Some residents of Taos, New Mexico, claim to hear a constant low frequency, despite no apparent source being found. The Taos Hum remains a source of intrigue, leaving researchers perplexed and residents prepare for a truly mysterious encounter with the upsweep, this strange and oscillating sound, originating from the depths of the Pacific Ocean, defies explanation. Researchers believe it could be related to volcanic or tectonic activity underwater, but the true source and purpose remain elusive. As we near the end of our countdown, we come across the hum, experienced by numerous people worldwide. This persistent low-frequency noise is often accompanied by feelings of anxiety and distress. Despite countless investigations, its cause and origin remain unknown, leaving those affected in an enduring state of mystery. Finally, we unveil our most mysterious sound yet, the number stations. These shortwave radio broadcasts consist of unnatural voices reciting codes or numbers, leading many to believe they are secret messages for spies. Decades later, these stations continue their enigmatic transmissions, fascinating amateur radio enthusiasts worldwide. The 7 most mysterious sounds in the world. Which one left you the most intrigued? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to DailyFactOfficial for more captivating content like this. Until next time, keep exploring the mysteries that surround us. Closing jingle: DailyFactOfficial, your source for intriguing discoveries.